to the newly elected Governor General and Vice Governor General and the appointed officers, the regents, the judiciary, that declare you as the legit officers of Albay Provincial Council.
Tonight, amidst the gathering of friends and colleagues, may you strengthen your bonds of brotherhood. May you be successful in your constitutional convention. May you celebrate your achievements and look forward to the opportunities that lie ahead.
Lahat tayo dumadaan sa proseso. Hindi po kami tumitingin sa personalidad. Tumitingin po kami doon sa tamang proseso na nakasaad sa ating saligang batas.
Ano ang itinuro sa atin? Kahit anong klaseng amoy, kahit anong klaseng estado ng triskilyo na yan, respeto.
Together, we will continue to make Tao Gamapi a beacon of strength, free will, and brotherhood. Mabuhay ang Tao Gamapi, mabuhay tayong mga triskilyon.
Together, we're a force of nature, a sisterhood like no other. Long live Tao Gama! Long live sisterhood!
Do hereby solemnly swear that I will conscientiously and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and responsibilities, that I will uphold and defend the tenets and codes of conduct, and most especially the Tao Gamapi National Constitution. Tayo-tayo po ang bumubuo ng ating kapatiran. Kaya tayo-tayo rin po ang magtutulungan na lalo pa itong palakasin, pasiglahin at pasaganahin.
Huwag tayong magdiinan, huwag tayong magsaksakan kahit anuman ang estado mo sa buhay. Ganyan ang totoong brotherhood, sisterhood ng Tao Gama.